How to create a private server on Roblox on mobile. Hi everybody. If you're wanting to create a private server on Roblox on mobile, you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can open up your Roblox application on your device, and once you open it up, you can head over to a game directly. So for example, Adopt Me, you can go ahead and use the search bar in order to search for the game. So once you find the game, you can tap on it and you will be finding this in order to play it. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you're going to look for description and scroll a bit. You should be finding store, and you need to just scroll a bit until you head over to the social media section, above which you should be finding an option that says servers, this one right here. You can tap on it to open up another page. So once you open up another page, you should be finding an option called private servers. So all you need to do is go ahead and tap on this create private servers. So one thing is all of the private servers are not free. In some you need to pay a certain Robux. So this one is free. If it is free, you can tap on create private server. After that, you can enter up your server name here and tap on this buy now. After that is done, your private server should be created. So that is it for now. That is how you create up a private server for now in Roblox. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.